Hello, my friends. So I wanted to do my How to Kill a Kit with Style end of the month wrap up, show you how far I got with my kit, and maybe plans for how I'm going to break down my kit. Maybe something like that. So there are, oh, I have something on my shirt. There are process videos for each of the things I will show you. So this is a scrap squad scrap lift. Like I said, there is a video that has that. This was fun. It's for Stretch the Sketch. 8.5 by 11 on a horizontal. Gorgeous background paper. Love that color. This is where things went slightly sideways. This background paper and these strips were not a part of my kit, but the embellishments were. And the reason why I was working on a challenge that needed citrus colors. So I said, hey, I'm going to just grab my little goodies and see if I can keep using them. Look at how cute they are with these little phone bits. But process video again. This was, oh, in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, Sarah's Fairy Tale Challenge. I've got a fun little castle here. Looks like a sand castle, and they were definitely in the sand. Lots of fun embellishments, a little added cloud cut files. But yes, so I did get a few things made with my kit. That makes me happy. Definitely did not use it up, but I did learn some things. Okay, first of all, I have one piece of my cardstock left. I did start with this Jen Hadfield Chasing Adventures project pad, and I learned that I might not love them. I like, you know, obviously I can deal with the solid colors of paper just fine. Oops, something keeps, oh, it's like a little eye or something that goes with the, with my Elvis. Okay, so those are very usable to me. Not a problem there, right? Not that I use many. Love the bold black and white. I could definitely use this. My problem that does come in is these uber glittery ones. I'm not an uber glitter girl. I learned that. So didn't use any of these, mostly because these were super thin and I had so many textural elements, but I definitely will be coming back to this. Now for my little stickers, I used a couple of the coffee cups, a couple little pieces here and there, and I'm telling you the reason why is I got such great traction on my die cut pieces. I mean, it might not look like it, but when, what is there, like 48 or something like that? I definitely worked through a ton of the die cuts. Now Jen Hadfield tends to be ever so generous, so I do have more, definitely, but I'll probably combine the two into one package because they're both from the Chasing Adventures collection. Now, I didn't break into this one at all. I started with this one being brand new. These are the puffy stickers, but I used quite a few. I'm in love with that right there. Okay, let's see. Did not do the birthday party layouts like I was planning. Might roll that into a plan I have coming for next month. Only a couple of these tiny stickers were used. Little surprise, but you know, I shy away from the clear black backed stickers a little bit, so that might be why. Just a couple of these black bows were used. I failed so miserably on using up these sequins like I wanted. I did use a couple of these little pink half pearly bits. I love those. Let's see. Definitely did not use up my Nuvo drops. Was not planning on doing so, so I'll just put those back in Nuvo drop land right there. That's put back. Actually, these go into sequin land. That's right there, so I can put those back so I know what's what. Did not touch these wood veneer, so those will go back in my new wood veneer section. I used a tiny bit of this washi tape, but I can put that in my black washi tape. Did not use up my ink. It's one of my favorite ones, so I'll get that used and put away. Paper scraps. I will keep this one. Probably won't keep these little beetle. I mean, look at, they're just so cute. But, you know, we can't keep every single scrap. Only the ones that are going to give us a little bit of traction. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Now on this sheet, I'm down to these little guys. So I think I'll go ahead and just trim that up so that I can put the rest of this in recycling, and I feel like I used something up. I did tell you that I had the one full sheet of the cardstock. And then this was a used set. I, of course, did use lots of that. Use this for, I think just the words Pyramid Point. And these were 3 full sets, and I used a couple words out of each. And that is it. Now, I do have a fun series coming up for October. I'm going to be taking Nicole Jones' new Scrapathon class, and I'm going to be rolling all kinds of these goodies that I have going on into the kits I'll be making. So stay tuned for my little kit making extravaganza for that. But for now, we'll see you later. I have lots of fun planned also for how to kill a kit with style for October. So I can't wait to bring you along for the ride. Bye-bye.